Welcome to Mhetre German Academy. Welcome to the series Clink to Drink. Episode 2nd, Likes and Dislikes about drinks in German. In the first episode, we discussed the verb to drink and its related aspects in German. To watch the first episode, just click the link given in this video's description. Ich trinke Kaffee gern. I like to drink coffee. Ich trinke Kaffee gern. How about tea? Ich trinke Tee gern. I like to drink tea. Ich trinke Tee gern. Remember here, the spelling of tea in English and Tee in German is only differentiated by the double E in Tee and the EA in tea. How to express no to a drink? For that you can say Ich trinke keinen Kaffee. I don't drink coffee. Ich trinke keinen Kaffee. How about tea? Simple. Ich trinke keinen Tee. Ich trinke keinen Tee. I don't drink tea. This was about likes and dislikes of drinks in German. To say yes and no to other things in German, just check out the appropriate link given in this video's description on useful words and phrases in German. That's for the second episode. Till the next episode of Clink to Drink. Cheers!